Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to remove the background audio, which background music in Filmora. If you have added a background music which you think does not match with your video and want to change it, this video is for you. So first, open the Filmora app on your mobile device and select the video from where you want to remove the background music from. After you've selected the video, simply go and tap on a bar which has the song's name on it. After you tap on it, many options will pop up. Simply go ahead and tap on the trash icon on the far right here. After you tap on it, you'll be able to remove the background music from your video, and this is it. Now you guys know how to remove the background music. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.